today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're going to be doing some light reading, so let's dive right in. Now, before we move forward, we can visit this link to learn more about the Moccasin.tamu. This link right here, as you can see, is highlighted. This link will give us a list of all the available parameters we can use in the Moccasin.tamu file. Now, this is a helpful resource to have when we want to customize our project settings. Now we can start the process of adding the Anvil network configuration to our Moccasin.tamu file. Now the ultimate goal of this section is to deploy our favorites contract to the Anvil network by using a deploy script, preferably using this command. I'm going to say mox run deploy -- network Anvil. Now this command will run the deploy script and deploy our contract to the Anvil network. To create a new network in the Moccasin.tamu, we will start by adding this line here. We will say networks.anvil inside of our brackets, as you can see we have. Now this line creates a new network called Anvil and a Moccasin.tamu file. The first thing we want to add to this network is the URL parameter. Now the URL parameter is the RPC URL for the network you want to deploy to. Now this is what the URL parameter looks like. You can see here we would say URL equals HTTP, and then we'd have our URL number here or our port number like I showed you earlier before we moved down here. And again, this URL is going to be what we use to actually deploy our contract to. We're going to use that port number that it's assigned to. So this is just a variable. The port number is what we're going to assign to this. So basically, this will be our port number. So yeah, we're going to leave it there for now. Like I said, we're going to do this piece by piece since we are only doing reading. We're just going to read it thoroughly and let the thing sink in, all the concepts we go with. So with that being said, we're going to pick it up tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.